Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Every Day. I'm Kevin, ready to help you build your English skills.
And I'm Jane. We're so excited you're joining us today for the Best Way podcast series. We have a super helpful topic for all English learners, especially those starting from the very beginning.
You know, Jane, our topic today is all about starting small and building up, like going from zero to fluent. It really got me thinking about routines. How was your morning routine today?
Oh, my morning was quite good, actually. I made some homemade granola and had it with yogurt and berries. It felt really healthy and gave me a great start. What about you, Kevin? Any interesting morning habits?
Homemade granola? Wow, that sounds amazing. My morning was a bit simpler. I just had my usual big cup of coffee, then went for a quick walk outside. Even that small walk makes a big difference in my mood, you know? It's like a mini routine.
That's so true. And that idea of small, daily actions making a big difference, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Our topic is From Zero to Fluent, Daily English Routine. It's for anyone who feels stuck or doesn't know how to start learning English every day.
Yes, many people want to speak English fluently, but they think it's too hard or takes too much time. They imagine long hours of studying grammar books.
Exactly, but it doesn't have to be like that. We're going to share simple, easy steps you can add to your daily life, even if you only have a few minutes. These little things, done every day, will really help you improve.
So, let's dive in. Jane, what's the very first, most basic thing an English beginner should do every day?
For me, Kevin, it has to be listening. You need to train your ears to the sounds of English. It's like when a baby learns their first language. They listen, 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 long before they can speak.
That's a perfect point. And for beginners, what kind of listening materials are best?
Start simple. Listen to children's songs in English or watch very short cartoons, even just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. The goal is to get used to the sounds, the rhythm, how words connect.
Right, it's not about perfect understanding at first, it's about immersion. You can put on some English background music or a simple podcast like ours while you're doing other things, like cleaning or cooking.
Yes, exactly. And try to focus sometimes too. Listen to a simple sentence and try to hear each word. It's building that foundation, that ear for English. Okay, so listening is step number 1. What about speaking, which many people find scary?
Speaking is definitely a big one, and you're right, it can be scary. But my number 1 tip for beginners is talk to yourself.
Haha, talk to yourself? Are you telling our listeners to have full conversations with themselves in the mirror, Kevin?
Well, yes, why not? Or in the shower, or while you're walking your dog, or making breakfast. Describe what you are doing in simple English. For example, I am pouring water, this is a cup. I am eating toast. It sounds funny, but it's super effective.
That's actually brilliant. It takes away the pressure of speaking perfectly in front of someone else. You get to practice everyday vocabulary and sentence structures without fear of judgment.
Exactly. And another speaking tip, repeat after native speakers. If you hear a simple phrase in a song or on our podcast, pause and say it yourself. Hello, how are you? Thank you very much. Try to copy the sound, the speed.
That helps so much with pronunciation too. So listen and then speak. What's the next key part of a daily routine?
Next, let's talk about reading. Again, start small and simple. Don't pick up a famous novel on day 1. Look for children's books, simple news headlines, or even signs around you if you live in an English-speaking area.
Oh, that's such good advice. I've seen many learners get discouraged because they try to read something too difficult. They get lost in all the new words. Keep it fun and easy.
Definitely. You can read product labels, short social media posts from English accounts, or simple websites. Reading helps you see how sentences are built and how words are spelled. It's a gentle way to absorb grammar rules without really studying them.
I love that, a gentle way to absorb grammar. So we've listened, we've spoken, we've read. What about writing? Do beginners really need to write every day?
A little bit, yes. You don't need to write an essay. Start with just a few simple sentences. For example, today is sunny. I ate an apple. I like coffee. You can keep a very simple English diary.
That's a great idea. It helps you practice forming sentences and remembering new vocabulary. You could even write a short shopping list in English, right?
Absolutely. Or send a simple message to a friend in English. Hi, how are you? Small, practical ways to use the language.
Okay, so we're building a routine with listening, speaking, reading, and writing. What about vocabulary? How do we learn new words without feeling overwhelmed?
Ah, vocabulary is important, but again, small steps. Don't try to learn 50 new words a day. Maybe pick 3 to 5 new words that you hear or read, and then try to use them in your own sentences.
Yes, use them is the most important part. Don't just write them in a notebook, say them out loud. Write them in your mini diary. Find them in other sentences. This makes them stick.
And focus on words that are useful for your daily life. Words about food, travel, work, family, hobbies. Not very rare words you'll never use.
Okay, so we have these 5 core activities: listening, speaking, reading, writing, and learning vocabulary. Kevin, what's the most important secret ingredient for all of this to work?
The secret ingredient, Jane, is consistency. It's better to do 15 minutes of English every single day than to do 3 hours once a week. Small daily actions build up over time to big results.
I completely agree. It's like building a strong wall, brick by brick. Each day, you add a little brick, and soon you have a strong, tall wall. If you only add a brick once a month, it will take forever.
Exactly, and make it enjoyable. If you force yourself to do something you hate, you'll stop. Find English content related to your hobbies. If you love cooking, watch English cooking videos. If you love sports, listen to English sports commentary.
That's so smart. When it's fun, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you naturally want to do it more often. Integrate English into your life. Don't just put it on a separate study shelf.
So, let's do a quick recap for everyone hoping to go from zero to fluent. First, make sure you listen to English every day, even for a short time, to get used to the sounds.
Second, speak English, even to yourself or by repeating phrases. Don't be afraid to make sounds.
Third, read simple English. Think children's books, headlines, or short social media posts.
Fourth, write a few simple sentences daily, like in a short diary or a shopping list.
And fifth, learn a few new vocabulary words, about 3 to 5, and actively use them in sentences.
And the most important message, be consistent. Do a little bit every day. It's not about being perfect, it's about making small progress every single day.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step closer to fluency. You are learning, and that's amazing. You've got this.
Absolutely. We really hope these daily routine tips help you feel more confident and excited about your English learning journey. Now we want to hear from you.
Yes, in the comments below, tell us, what is one small English activity you can add to your daily routine starting today? Just one simple thing.
We love reading your comments and hearing about your learning adventures. Your ideas can inspire others too, so please share them.
If you found this podcast helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to the English Practice Everyday channel for more tips, and share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
It helps us reach so many more learners like you. Thank you for spending time with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, consistency is key. We'll talk to you again very soon.
Bye for now, everyone.